DataMotion has a platform that consists of many different products. The core of our product is secure email, okay? What that allows DataMotion to do is go into other aspects, or what we call spokes, on this hub. We can do eForms, we can do APIs, we can do secure mail, we can do direct. There are so many different platforms that are part of the core, or products, I should say, instead of the core. With DataMotion's secure mail, which is what we were built our platform on, customers can feel very confident when sending emails, sending form data, sending any basic information, including personal identification information or personal health records, to their customers or just acquaintances. If I look at over the years how many times that I've sent information, whether it be to enroll my child in school or filled out a sports form, and I scan it and I send it to the appropriate person, the recipient receives it. I have no way of knowing, and have not known up until recently, how important it is for that information to be secure. What DataMotion does is it encrypts the email and the attachments.